Alright, so this is what happens when you get a whole crap ton of girls in your truck at once. They start cleaning. See? You come on. You know you want. That one camera shy motherfucker over here.
She's behind you.
Say hello, YouTube.
To what?
Say hello to YouTube.
What the hell?
Hey, YouTube.
He's probably only got like one subscriber and it's probably himself. It's like,
No, I subscribe to him.
Hey, where's my
I would if you
still using my blue flashlight?
Huh?
The blue flashlight I loaned you when you were security and
I don't know where that's at right this second, but I can get you mine. I found mine.
Oh.
So you can have mine. Not worried about it.
personal little thingamabobber. I'm just gonna be so I can get
Mikey?
notifications.
Can we just hose the car? Power wash it?
She wants to hose the car. That power washer don't work. See? Daily look-see into my life. Alright, y'all stay insane. I'll see you.